Me. I get it.
Up here, Sardis. I think that somebody loves you out there. I heard some noise back there. Yeah, hear that? Yeah. They love you a lot back there. All right. A nice catch for 3 fish, especially 8.13. Did y'all have those other 2 on? Oh, no. Did you lose it? Oh, no. I'm sorry. We're going to weigh a big fish for them because it's 3 fish that weigh 8 pounds. So there got to be a good one in there. Yeah, look at that. It's a smallmouth. Woo! That's a nice fish. Don't touch it. Yep. All right. Just let Mr. Berry touch it until he gets it thrown down. He's alive. You did your job. All right. 4 point. It almost locked. 4.30. There we go. Nice fish. Good catch, guys.
Boat number